Here's how to create a one-of-one on Saucery in just 5 steps. Step 1. Upload your artwork and add details. Go to Saucery.art. Click Create. Upload your artwork file. Add your title and description. This is your one-of-a-kind piece, so make the description special. Step 2. Choose the supply cap. By default, you'll see one of one, one of one. Leave it as it is. This tells Saucery that you're minting exactly one copy. No additions, no duplicates. Step 3. Set your price. Set your price in SCBK. Think about what makes this piece special. Is it rare, unique? Price accordingly. You could always adjust it later. Step 4. Set your royalties. When someone buys your one-of-one and resells it, you earn royalties. Set 5 to 10%. This creates passive income forever. Step 5. Review and create. Look over everything. Title, check. Price, check. Then click Create to list your one-of-one. That's it. Your one-of-a-kind NFT is now on Saucery.art. Watch our next video to learn about minting limited and open editions at Saucery. Thanks for watching.